Looking to gain a competitive advantage in the current sales landscape? Today we're talking about virtual selling. Hey everyone, Charlie from Vidyard here. You've likely heard all kinds of things about virtual selling using video. With many people working from home, at least partially, for the foreseeable future, video is the best way to reach right through the prospect's computer screens and grab attention. And it's not just sellers. More than 3/4 of buyers prefer digital self-serve and remote engagement over face-to-face interactions. And if you're not using video yet, well, your quota is just a suggestion, right? Wrong. We've assembled the top sales stats to show you what the future of virtual selling will look like, why video is such a core part of the virtual sales process, and how video has propelled sellers just like you from merely surviving to thrive in digital-first sales. So let's dive into some eye-opening stats. Over 2/3 of sales pros report their team will stay remote or work in the office part-time in the future. If your company has transformed into a hybrid or fully remote work environment, you're not the exception, you're the norm. The same is true for your prospects. Many businesses aren't going back to the office in full capacity, so you need to rethink all of those tactics you used to use back in the days when you could find your prospects at their desks. Nearly 50% of sales pros are currently leveraging video in their sales process. With almost half of all sellers already using video in virtual selling, and many more planning on giving it a shot in the near future, any sales pros who aren't on board with video are getting left behind. Case in point, over 70% of sales pros report that video email performs better than standard text-based email. Over the past year, email sends are going up and responses are going down. Text-only emails are often dull, uninspired, and bad for catching attention. Video, on the other hand, sending one to your prospect makes them sit up and pay attention to what you have to say. 60% of sales pros define their video recording and editing skills as emerging or proficient. Many reps are quickly getting pretty good at video. Practice makes perfect. The more you create, the better you'll get. It doesn't take a lot of videos to make a big impact. For many sellers, the sweet spot seems to be under 5 videos per week. View video as a complement to your outreach rather than a silver bullet. And remember, quality always wins over quantity. Video email can reduce inbox fatigue and help recipients retain more of the message when compared to text-based email. Looking at your inbox actually puts you in a negative emotional state. However, watching video helps reverse that negative effect, leveling out emotions. Video email is a great way to break up the monotony of your prospect's inbox, putting them in an emotional state where they're inclined to listen to your pitch and retain more of the message. More than 70% of sales pros who leverage video report that it has increased response rates. As we've mentioned, more emails and fewer responses mean it's harder to stand out. A huge majority of virtual sellers are seeing great success with video email in responses that they're getting from prospects. What type of video gets the best response? Over half of sales pros agree that the hybrid video performs best. What the heck is a hybrid video, you ask? It's a video where you show both your webcam and your recorded screen. It's the best of both worlds, demonstrating something important to your prospect while showcasing your winning personality. Recording videos can seem intimidating, but once you get your technique down, you can produce and send off videos just as quickly or maybe even faster than writing an email or making a call. For even more exciting virtual selling stats, head over to our blog post through the link in the description below. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.